Hi friends, welcome to Traders Corner. Today I'm going to discuss about Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow and the expiry moves for tomorrow. So to begin with, and I would like to say sorry to you guys because due to some personal reasons I couldn't upload the views about Bank Nifty for today. So let's begin with what has happened from my previous analysis. So in my previous analysis, I have mentioned clearly after opening, if market bounce back, it would go up. If not, if it breaks this level, because already it was taking support twice, thrice in this area. If it give a strong bearish candle and strong close below this, and on a wait for a 15 minutes candle to close, wait for retracement, and go for further entries. So exactly, it didn't bounce from this area. It broke this level with a strong bearish candle. It came down exactly to this level where I have marked. It gave a pullback, and again it came to this level. It broke the support and came all the way down here, and that's what I have marked in this also. Like wait for any retracement before going for a sell. So when it taking a retracement, go for a sell entry. So that's what it happened here. Like if you see over this, so market came down, it took a retracement. It did not go to this level, but it retraced from here. It came to this zone. And again, I have mentioned here in this red one, like again, if market gives a strong red bearish candle, and if it break this level, then go for further sell. So it happened almost the same. It closed, it gave a close in this one, and retracement in the next candle, and it came almost close enough to the next demand zone, and it bounced from here and went up. And I have mentioned the other way also. If it bounces from this level, market will retrace, consolidate for a while, and if it breaks this level, then the market will move here. And this move, as per the prediction, it happened here, over here actually, like yesterday. Consolidated, it broke this level strongly. It retested the same level and it went to this level. So that is what I have mentioned in my previous video. So almost the same has happened, and it respected the levels, except like it didn't go below the levels. Okay guys, so let's see the levels for tomorrow, and I will start fresh. So to begin with, I'll go with the day chart. Okay, let's move on to 15 minutes. This could be a strong demand zone, minor zone. This could be a strong resistance for tomorrow. There's another sell zone over here. Mhm. So this could be the levels, and Bank Nifty has broken the level. And if you see, we have a trend line. This will act as a major support as well. So if you see, to an extent, this is a kind of triangle breakout. So for this move, we have a higher target, like we have a target for 900 points in upcoming days. Okay, guys, this is positional view for Bank Nifty. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow. Tomorrow it can be more of a, I feel, range bound market, or else. Okay, let's begin with. So Bank Nifty has made a clear triangle breakout today, and it has retested already. So the targets are very much higher. Like we may not see tomorrow these many points, but I hope positional target, either maybe coming next week expiry, we can expect Bank Nifty to reach these levels. Okay, and by the way, market has closed. It was bullish, but for some reasons, the rally from 115 or 130 to the top, it was a long build up. So whatever the positions they have bought, they have made their profit booking in this zone. Okay, so tomorrow market, it can be more of, I'm not watching currently. I did not watch US market or SGX, but based on the way the position has been built up, we can expect a range bound market to gap up. So in such scenario, market can open in this area, and if market sustains for sustain for a 15-minute or more, and if they break this level with two consecutive green candle, there is a possibility for Bank Nifty to clearly reach this target. Okay, and by chance, if market is rejecting, if it is a flat opening to gap up, and if Bank Nifty give us a red candle, I mean bearish, then for sure Bank Nifty will drop down to this level. And this is a strong rally from this area. So tomorrow, if market comes to this level, look in either 5 minutes chart or in 15 minutes, and if you get any bullish reversal kind of setup from here, you can initiate a buy from this area, and you can expect for a target to this level. Okay, and we don't know what will happen in this zone. So based on the type of candle which is forming in this area, you can initiate further long or short. Okay, so currently this is my view. Like I hope we can expect positive upside movement. So first half, it can be a profit booking and consolidation. Once it reaches this level, I hope Bank Nifty can move further upside from this area. And even I will advise, do not predict the market too much. Wait for the market, so let it flow. Wait for the type of candle form and the levels which is it is breaching, and you can initiate a trade accordingly. So again, if market breaches this area, there is a high possibility for the market to get support first in this support, and further if it comes down again, we have a strong trend line. So these days the market is such that it is giving too many fake moves. So don't jump into any trade just like that without giving a second candle follow up. Let it be any time frame, either 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay. So tomorrow is again it is expiry. There is too much of manipulation going on in the market. Try to trade safe. So this could be the type of move which it can be there for tomorrow. So these are the clear views, and if there is any strong breakout over these levels, you can initiate a buy with month end expiry. I will not suggest to go for tomorrow's or else the next week. It's better to go for a month end expiry, that is 30th September 21. And if you get a strong closing, kindly go for month end expiry and you can wait for higher targets. Okay, these are the levels for tomorrow. And there's a saying always, no trade is always a better trade. So kindly wait for the levels. Do not jump into any trade. Try to finish off your trade in the first half. My kind advice is do not go for any trade after 12:30. Don't lose your money. Don't lose your profit. Try to protect your capital. Try to avoid unnecessary risky hero zero trades. So this is my view for Bank Nifty, guys. Okay, I'll publish this one too. Okay, guys, this is my channel. I have published over there and as well as in Twitter too. Kindly follow and subscribe so that if there is any views or predictions, you will get a notification. And let's move into Nifty's prediction. There's too much mess in this. Okay. So this was the level given day before yesterday. It's too much messy, I know. So you can see again, I have mentioned here, if you get a strong, unless this level is breached on top, if you get a rejection from this zone, kindly initiate a trade, and the target would be this level. And I have marked market, if it comes here, for sure it will bounce back. And based on the way, based on the moves further going up or down, initiate a trade. So market exactly it reacted. It came all the way to demand zone, bounce back. It made small consolidation. I have mentioned here, if there is a strong again rejection and sell candle from this area, you can go for a sell once again. So it happened twice here, down, up, again rejection top. It came all the way to this level. I have mentioned down arrow sideways. Further it breaks down, it will come down. So again, what has happened? It bounced back from this area, again came to this level, and from here, sell-off happened. It came all the way level down. I mean here to here, and this was a red candle. It came all the way here into this zone. So what has happened? This was a strong demand zone at the bottom. From here, it bounced back. I have marked like this. Look for market reaction. but it came all the way to here, and I have marked in this area. If this level is breached with a strong green candle, it'll go further up. But what has happened? Market has gapped up in this area, gave a rejection over here, like consolidation, and market moved down, and it went all the way to more today's one-way rally. Okay, so I'll delete everything. Let's have a view for tomorrow. Expiry more, and you can see. I think I have given a view day before yesterday, like the upper side targets. If market close above this one last week high, for sure the higher target it would be 17719, 17861. I think it's there in one of the video. You can have a look. These two are the confirmed targets on the upside in coming days. Still, until today, I had a view that there might be a profit booking anytime. So it's a bit risky to enter into further investment kind of trades. But after today's move, there is still some up move pending in Nifty. So still, I have few investment plans for few more days until market top out. Okay, so to begin with the high and low of today. Okay, this is high and low. So if we go into 15 minutes time frame once again, today it was a crazy move by Nifty all the way 15 minutes chart. If you see everything, it's green, one red, two green, one red. Like it's kind of market did not give any chance for anyone to enter in between. If anybody might have entered here, stop loss. If anybody would have entered here, again stop loss. So anyone who bought in the morning and if they might have waited all the way, they might have catch the huge rally. Apart from that, there is very less chance for anyone to catch up the full rally. This will be a strong demand zone for tomorrow. So this is a strong demand zone for tomorrow. Kindly mark these levels. If you get any chance, if the market comes here, you can initiate buy for sure. It's because of the breakout, minor consolidation. Again, initiate. They have continued the trend. So this forms a strong base in this area. This will be a strong supply zone for sure. And the levels are a bit tricky in Bank Nifty. Sorry, Nifty. Find it a bit difficult to mark the levels. Again, demand zone. So based on the way they have made the levels, there are many obstacles for if Nifty wants to come down. I don't know, like how Nifty moves can be tomorrow, or it can be too much of consolidation. See, the targets are very high on the upper side. So based on this, we don't have any, since market is an all-time high, we don't have any clear, we cannot just give any levels just like that. So based on Fibo setup, I can give the targets on the upper side. So these are the levels for Nifty tomorrow. So Nifty, it can be, there are multi levels of the downside to break. So I hope once again there can be a flat to gap up opening tomorrow in Nifty. So if market opens in this area, for sure the first target, and if it sustains this level of 17,518 to 17,532, the immediate target it can be 17,558, and I don't know how market will react. If it again breaks this area, the next target it could be 17,571. And by any chance, if there is a rejection on from higher levels, if it breaks, it can be huge range bound market tomorrow if it doesn't sustain on the upper side, because there are so many levels for Nifty to break down on downside. If it comes here, again bounce. If it comes down, if you get a strong rejection in this area, then again bounce. If it breaks through this, again to this level, and finally it can be here. At the moment, there is no clear view from my end, so I'm not going to initiate much trades also tomorrow. Even if it is an expiry, I will trade only in the first half. As I said before, no trade is better than a losing trade. So this is a mix of views for Nifty. Kindly watch the levels and initiate your trade. Okay, I have posted both Nifty and Bank Nifty levels in TradingView and as well as in Twitter. And guys, if you have any doubts or any clarification on any views about stock equities, if you have any doubts regarding swing trade or long-term trade, kindly post in the sections below so that I can review it and I can post you in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching, guys. Since it is expiry, trade safe. Have a nice expiry, guys. Bye.